7 tips for restoring your self-worth after a toxic relationship. Well, that didn't go right. We walk into a relationship with so much enthusiasm. We think what we found is the best thing in the world, which is a heady feeling for while it lasts. Sadly, when a relationship is toxic, we're frequently the last to know. By the time we escape, our self-worth has already taken a hefty blow. So how do you restore positive feelings about yourself after a toxic relationship? Release your victimhood. The more you focus on what happened, the more you get stuck. So the sooner you can quit revisiting the past and dwelling on perceptions of ill treatment, the sooner you're going to put all this behind you. This doesn't mean to say this was your fault, but obsessing about the shoulds and going back over every encounter is going to only hurt you regardless of whether you were in the right or not. Drop the blame. Was it your fault? No. The sooner you can let go of any residual guilt or bad feelings about the relationship, the happier you'll be. The next step should help. Silence their voice. The problem with toxic relationships is you tend to believe what the other person said about you, no matter how outlandish it seemed at the time. Now their voice is there, lurking in your head to remind you of all your so-called shortcomings at every opportunity. Time to tell them to shut up once and for all. Embrace the new you. Find joy in being single. Spoil yourself. Do that thing you always wanted to do. Take lessons. Build your skill set as you build yourself up. Become your own best friend in a way that doesn't require validation from any outside source. Believe your friends. You hear the compliments, but they're going in one ear and out the other. Rather than brush off the nice things people around you are saying, start listening. Listening until these words become a part of who you are. Create goals you love. What would you like to do with your life? Too often our goals reflect the needs and desires around us. Now is the time to reverse this. Accepting that you're capable and your goals are worth fighting for. What do you want to do? Affirmations. Work through the worst offenders of negative self-talk through positive affirmations. Take note of what you're telling yourself. Rewrite the script and turn these statements around into affirmations that you read to yourself every day. Remember, this is a process and likely to take time. By reminding yourself of just how amazing you are and focusing hard on these steps, eventually, you'll start feeling the difference even if you don't see it yet. Hang in there.